Safe, private, beautiful golf course, multiple swimming pools, hiking trails. Those are just a few of the features that are available on our most recent listing at 7773 Beltane Drive, located in the San Jose Villages. Hi, I'm Sam Spinella, your trusted real estate guy with Spinella Group at Spoke Real Estate. I'm super excited about this one. Let's go take a look. I love this kitchen. It's light, bright, and spacious. You have two porches to choose from. In the morning, you can have your coffee on one. In the evening, you can have your favorite drink on the other. You will find this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has 1,265 square feet of living space. It is settled in a quiet corner of the San Jose Villages, a perfect home if you want to settle in and continue your career, start your retirement, or continue hitting the links or spas where you left off. The Villages is a safe, private, secluded, gated community located in San Jose, the capital of Silicon Valley. Established on the site of a former hillside vineyard and winery, the 1,200 acres of lush landscaping and sparkling lakes is set against a picture-perfect background of natural beauty. The focal point of the Villages is the spectacular championship golf course with its pro shop, elegant clubhouse, and restaurant. In addition to the golf courses, there are 4 swimming pools and spas, 6 tennis courts, and a fitness center. The Villages has been rated among the top 20 senior communities for persons aged 55 and older in the United States. Controlled gate access and a 24-hour public safety presence provides the Villages residents with the assurance of privacy and safety. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this property or any other, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My team and I are always here and happy to help.